Hello, hi, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channels, and today I have one more decor item for you guys to see. I've been talking this in my previous video. If you watch my previous video, if you don't, I will put the links down below. And it's actually behind me here. So I've been talking about this dining table in my previous video, and today I'm going to show you because it's just arrived in my house. So without further ado, let's do it. Okay guys, I'm going to explain you why I have empty space over here, because I'm still waiting for my new dining table. And you guys want to see a magic? My dining table will appear after I click my finger. Oh my god guys, this is my new marble dining table. Look at this guys. This is so beautiful. Oh my god. And the brass gold match everything I have in my house. And this is my newest item as well. This is my marble coffee table, but you can see the difference between this quality with this one. This is more high-end quality marble, you guys. You can see the surface, how polished this surface. This one is really high quality, and I love it. So now I'm thinking putting this orchid back in here, and maybe I'm going to do a table setup video after this. Okay guys, that's it. Oh no, one more thing. I need more chair because my old dining table, which is here, only fit 3 chairs. So now I need to go back to SSF and get another chair. And it's all complete. Okay guys, that's all.